I'm working with Essar Group for 17 plus years, and I have a 23 years of experience in IT field, and I am responsible in Essar for building a technology vision and handling all the aspects on technology side in area of information technology. Main focus in Essar Group is the business transformation enabled by IT, building a IT organization, running IT as a business, and handling large projects for Essar Group in area of information technology. Since Essar Group is working in multiple sectors across the globe, individual companies or IT requirements are totally different. And as part of digital transformation, we have taken up multiple initiatives across the globe. As an example, in steel, we built a global command center. In this command center, we are monitoring all the steel processes using multiple technologies from a single place. In power sector, we built a e-bidding platform where we are doing the reverse bidding for purchasing all the coal and LNG products. In Essar, when we are taking up any digital initiative, we work closely with business people. And without any business sponsorship, we don't want to take any IT related project. It should not look like is an IT initiative. See, one of the initiatives we rolled out is a success factor solution for all the group companies. And we worked very closely with the HR team.
At Essar, it's part of our entire digital transformation strategy, because as the entire socio-economic environment is getting digitalized, what is it that we needed to do to move away from where we were to be able to maintain our position in a digital revolution that we wanted to bring in? We were looking out for number one, an entire automatized process. So it's not only just automatizing, but the entire process which did not require so much of human intervention, but which could drive the system by itself, is something that we were looking out for, and I think we got it.
Along the human capital life cycle, we were looking to be able to integrate not just the flow of processes, but also of information. And that was only available through a very robust suite like SAP SuccessFactors. In fact, we've been one, as you know, one of the earliest adopters of the HCM platform. In 2010, we actually implemented only the PMGM and more of the career development and planning, succession planning and development kind of module. And then later on, we went on to be able to buy the rest of the suite. So having experienced the value of being able to even integrate an important process like PMS, we saw the value in being able to bring the same discipline through the entire HR value chain. So the objective has been multifold. A, to be able to build in a discipline around HR. B, to be able to bring in standardized processes and experiences across the organization. And C, to be able to actually have information data to make meaningful decisions inside the organization so that we can create a group of more talent savvy leaders, managers and HR professionals who are consistently managing the process in a more disciplined manner and generating and using data in a more meaningful manner.
We broke the jinx because we were constantly told, don't try to execute this across so many businesses all at the same time. But I must tell you that this journey that we succeeded in doing, along with our IT department, we actually broke a record of trying to execute this entire solution in 8 companies all at the same time.
The scope has really been all our employees across locations, across our group companies, right from Essar Oil to Essar Steel, Essar Power, Essar Shipping, Essar Ports. Across the board, we've involved all employees to be able to come in and participate in a single seamless process, which is unified through a platform called SuccessFactors.
Succeeded because of 2 reasons. Number one, top management sponsorship, which was 100% to it. And number 2 is an integrated effort by the IT team and the HR team to ensure that the system was adopted. We made it look like an organizational change management process, or our forays of the organization into the digital revolution that we wanted to drive.
We were using cloud for the first time, and we did not know what were going to be the merits or the demerits of using the cloud. There were huge questions around security at that time as well. And I think you need a very progressive and also a very knowledgeable IT team that partners with you because they understand what the cloud is, or they understand how software as a service can work as a solution within the organization. And I think at every stage of our implementation, we worked very, very closely with them, because we implemented the entire suite, including Employee Central, which actually houses our database, employee database. So our HRIS rides on Employee Central. And I think there our IT team took on the most difficult and the most robust task of building this back end for us, so that the front end can manage itself smoothly. So we made a big decision to be able to transition out of SAP and onto Employee Central, so that whatever is unified in this integrated platform can seamlessly work together. And we could not have done this if the IT team had not participated very closely with us to be able to create this backdrop for us.
This is one experience I am saying is very unique to what my experience in Essar has been, because this has been one single integrated execution, not only of the success factors, but I'll tell you what, we have gone ahead and done success factors around the same time. We have gone ahead and done our entire full and final settlement process totally digitalized and computerized all around the same window time. We have also gone and done our appointment letters. No appointment letter is manually led at all. From the time a guy comes, his offer letter is mechanized, it gets out on the system. His appointment letter, once the data has been fit and his compensation is fixed, comes out onto the system. So we automatize that. We also automatize the entire increment process, such that no letters in the increment, once the matrix has been fixed, no letter comes through any manual intervention. All along, 5 or 6 very, very critical drivers of the human processes got digitalized at the same time. And I think all of them have got integrated under this platform. And I must say kudos to both the HR department and the IT department for having worked so closely that sometimes I used to mix up my HR guys as the IT guys and IT guys as HR guys, to say that how integrated and close they are and how they were working together.
One of the other things that also happened is that we've delivered the entire suite in 8 months' time. And I believe this is a bit of a record, because there are a lot of organizations who've taken 1.5 years, 2 years, sometimes 3 years to be able to implement the entire suite. We went start to finish and implemented directly in 8 months' time. And this has happened because of the effort, the hard work, the focus and the support of a very competent IT team that actually enabled this implementation to happen in 8 months.